you can't really talk about acoustic guitar without talking about blues. And if you've never played blues before, you never listened to it, and you don't think you like it, that's okay. I didn't think I liked blues before I started playing the guitar either. But it's a great device for improving technique, improving your skill, and you might grow to love it, like I did. So there will be a few blues progressions throughout this course. They're a lot of fun to play, and I hope you enjoy them. So this is the first one we're going to look at in the key of E, and we're mixing these chords with the open E blues scale. Alright, we're not going to get too much into the scale. I'm just going to show you the progression and the licks for you to practice. So we start off with this little lick here. To get into the progression, right? So I'm just going 2, 1, 0 on the A string. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3 in the low E string. Now give that a little slight nudge. And open, right? Then into the E chord, right? And the same kind of strumming in each chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So. And then we're just repeating that lick without the little intro. 2, 1, 0, 3, 0. Okay. So. The whole thing so far. Okay. Then we're going to go into the A chord. We're going to do this little lick here, right? So we've got 2, O on the D string, 2, O on the D string again, 2 on the A string, and then 0 on the A string. That's my A note, and then I can get into the A chord. Alright. Okay, and then again back into our E lick. Okay, and then I'm going to get into a B7, and I'm going to climb up the scale like that. 0, 3 on the low E, 0, 1, 2, 2 on the A, and if I climb into this with the right fingers, landing my middle finger here in the second fret, I can get right into that B7, right? Again, that strum. And then, to finish my lick. Alright, so for the next part, we're going to be doing the same thing with the chords, but we're going to be playing some licks from the bottom strings of the scale, alright? So, we've got 3, O, 3 on the B, so 3, O on the high E, 3 on the B, alright, and then 0, 0 on the high E. Okay, then once, then again. Okay, and then we've got to climb up the scale into an A. Alright. 3, O, 3, O, 2 in the G, and if you land with our middle finger, it means that we're right into that A chord. Alright, we can just add our other fingers round about that to make the A chord. Alright, so far. Then back into it again. In the E one more time. And then we just got to do the same licks for the B7. Then back to our home lick for E. Alright. And that's the full thing. So I hope you enjoy that. Take it easy, and I'll see you soon in the next lesson.